This is 24 Fanatics Under Wraps Authentics Autographed Mystery Baseballs. Random team number 6. Guys, we don't have any Astros in the product. Montreal does go to the Nationals. Please remember that. Dice roll ace deuce or higher, guys. We're going 4 times. Good luck, guys. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. McRae on the bottom. Joe Amazing. He's number 1 in my book, and he's also number 1 on this random. Good luck. Joe, I'm going to speak it into existence. I'm thinking I'm going to get you a Met here, and I think McRae is going to get a Giant here. That's just my guess. 1, 2, 3, 4th and final. I'm way off. That's why I don't guess. Orioles on the bottom. The Mets to McRae on the bottom. Orioles were up top is what I meant to say. There it is. There's your guys' spots. Good luck, everybody. If you guys want to continue to do this, I added in the next case in the store. Number 7, 8, and 9 is a fresh case. All right, guess the last auto for 50. Oh, you got it. Yes, sir. McRae, you're modded. I will give him the Mets for you. Guess the last auto for 15. Yes, Alvin, I will. I'll let you know, yes. And in 1 second, I forgot to put $15 in Blez Bucks credits to Aussie Ryan. Aussie Ryan, if you're out there, I'm putting in 15 in your account right now because I forgot. I don't think Ellie's in this, Alvin. I don't think Ellie's in this. Cincinnati. Yeah, Ellie is not in this if you want to re-guess, Alvin. Perfect. It's in your account, Ryan. Thank you, guys. Good luck. We did it a Dram. I don't know if you're here, but I can be forgetful, yes. I can be forgetful, yes. Vet Jerky. I can be. Oh, too late. I'm sorry. No. Wait, White Sox is good, Jaws. We got Frank Thomas and stuff. We just hit him in the last case. Let's try it, Jaws. Oh, why is my focus? Where's my focus? There you go. Good luck. Alvin, who do you have, Alvin? Who did I get you? Alvin Lowe got the Brew Crew. Ooh, I don't know who the Brewers have. I don't really recall. Milwaukee, Yelich, Robin Yount, Sal Frelick, William Contreras. Not the strongest. Yelich might be your best bet. Or Paul Molitor or Robin Yount. Yeah, Molitor has specialties. Standard baseball. I lied. Natitude? That's a pretty cool one. Natitude? Who is this? Is that Lane Thomas? No, that can't be Lane Thomas. Doesn't look like Thomas at the end. No, it is. Doesn't even look like Lane Thomas for the Nationals. And that goes to MJ Ramey. Mike gets the inscription. There's one. Natitude. I'll be honest, I'm not familiar with Lane Thomas. I apologize. Oh, congratulations. That's awesome, Drum. That's super cool, Jam. Hell yeah. Good luck, brother. I'll be honest with you, Mike. I'm not familiar. He was traded to the Guardians and no longer a National. Perfect. That makes more sense for me. What up, Carol? 4 o'clock. I think 4 o'clock for the rest of the week. I think Saturday. I think Billy's gonna be on. I think at like 12 or 2. We have a schedule. I just don't remember it. I'll look at my phone after this and I'll confirm with you. Ziggy, did you see? Did you see Le Collect? I was talking to Le Collect about your GG Jackson, and he's like, "Oh, I normally take jaw and everything," and I was like, "Yeah, hit a big jaw. He hits a jaw gold auto last night." Oh, TriStar, that's cool. It's been pretty fun, Karen, bro. It's been pretty solid. We hit the Mike Trout All-Star 2012 in Kansas City. I want to see the Pittsburgh ball now. That's what I want. Here we go. Next ball. I want to say who I think this is. I just don't know who it is for sure. Any guesses here? It's Jose Trevino. It's Jose Trevino. Trevino is... Someone help me out here. I don't remember. Was it Yankees? It is Yankees. Yep. Okay. I was right. Jose Trevino. It was Yankees. I didn't want to say it and I didn't want to be wrong. Yankees with the Trevino. Go Burrow. G Burrow. Osby. All right, we have 2 left. Yeah, good luck, dude. Dram, good luck. Seriously. So you're not doing security anymore. It was security you were doing previously, right, Dram? Or am I getting mixed up with Darbhead? I might be getting you mixed up with Darb. I don't remember who it was. It was either you or Darb that did security. Oh, yeah, okay. So it was Darb. Yeah, I did get mixed up. Baseball number 3 is another standard ball. And it's another Trey Turner. Again. MJ Ramey again with the Trey Turner. This is kind of crazy. I don't like hitting this many Trey Turners, right? Oh, no, I'm sorry. Philadelphia. I'm sorry. Philly is Trey Turner. I'm sorry. Philadelphia. McRae. It's a Trey Turner. I was thinking of his former employment. All right, I think... Come on, let's see an inscription right here. Inscription or dual or something right here. And it's strong. And it's strong. Our last baseball. And it's strong. It was an inscription. It was. Let's go Bucks. It's a pirate. And it's O'Neal Cruz. Wow, this case was phenomenal. For G. Burrow. G. Burrow. It's kind of sloppy, the signature on the O'Neal Cruz. Gio Burrow with the Let's Go Bucks inscription. That's pretty sick. That's probably the biggest inscription we've seen today so far. And that was... Kind of, yeah, it was kind of ugly though. Like, too ugly. Plus, I'm not that much of a sharp on O'Neal Cruz, so... That was the break, everybody. That was the case. That case was pretty solid. That case was actually more solid than probably case 1. Although case 1 did have Nolan Ryan, so... Guys, that was the break on the Fanatics Under Wraps. Number 6, 7, 8, and 9 is a fresh case. Random team 6. Joe, I'm trying. I've done them. There's 12 baseballs per case, Mikey. 12 per case. So I'm adding 3 at a time so you have a fresh case in there.